Welcome to the section on prompt engineering, a crucial skill for effectively using generative AI in the workplace. So, what exactly is prompt engineering? Simply put, it's the art and science of crafting the inputs or prompts that you give to a Gen AI model like a large language model to get the specific outputs you want. Think of the AI model as a highly knowledgeable assistant. Your prompt is the instruction you give it. Why is this so important in a professional setting? Because the quality of the AI's output is directly related to the quality of your input. A well-designed prompt can save you significant time and effort, yielding accurate, relevant, and usable results for your tasks. Conversely, a poorly worded or vague prompt can lead to frustrating, irrelevant, or even incorrect outputs, wasting valuable time. Mastering prompt engineering is key to unlocking the real potential of Gen AI for your work. Let's look at the core principles behind effective prompting. First, clarity and specificity. You need to be precise about what you're asking for. Avoid vague language. For example, simply asking a model to write about marketing is too broad. A more effective prompt would be, write a short paragraph summarizing the key benefits of using social media marketing for small businesses targeting young adults. See how much more specific that is. It tells the model exactly what topic, audience, and format you need. Second, provide context. Gen AI models don't inherently know the background of your request. Giving the model relevant context helps it understand the situation and tailor its response appropriately. If you're asking for help drafting an email, tell it who the email is for, what the purpose is, and any key information that must be included. For instance, instead of write an email, try draft a professional email to a client following up on our meeting yesterday. Mention the 2 action items we agreed upon and propose a time for our next call. Third, clearly state the instruction and constraints. Tell the model explicitly what task it should perform. Are you asking it to write, summarize, translate, brainstorm, classify, or something else? Also, specify any constraints on the output. Do you need it to be a certain length, like under 200 words? Does it need to be in a specific format, like bullet points or a table? Should the tone be formal, casual, persuasive? Clearly defining these boundaries helps the model meet your exact requirements. Sometimes, the best way to get the output you want is by showing the model what you mean. This is a simple form of what's sometimes called few-shot learning. You provide 1 or 2 examples of an input and the desired output. The model then tries to follow that pattern for your actual request. This is particularly useful for formatting or tasks with specific stylistic requirements. Effective prompting often involves an iterative process. You might start with a basic prompt, see the output, realize it's not quite right, and then refine your prompt by adding more specificity, context, or constraints. It's a bit like having a conversation. You clarify your request based on the initial response. In the workplace, designing effective prompts is directly applicable to numerous tasks. Drafting clear and concise emails or reports, getting relevant summaries of long documents, generating creative ideas for campaigns, quickly producing outlines for presentations, or even helping to write basic code snippets. In essence, prompt engineering is your bridge to getting valuable, actionable outputs from Gen AI. By focusing on clarity, context, instructions, and constraints, and being willing to iterate, you can significantly enhance your productivity and the quality of your work using these powerful tools. It's a skill that pays dividends in the age of AI.